Let's learn some new rhythms today, and we'll use the song Betty Larkin. Hop along. Let's sing the song while I write the beats. Ready and sing. Hop along, skip along, oh Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, oh Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, oh Betty Larkin. Oh, so my dear darling. So for Betty Larkin, we measure the beats by 2. So our time signature is going to have a 2, and we're going to use the quarter note, or ta, as the beat note. Let's go ahead and put our bar lines in to measure the music. And a special bar line goes at the end, a double bar line. Let's sing again, only this time, tap the rhythm of the words. Ready and sing. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Also, my dear darling. Let's sing this last phrase together. Ready and go. Also, my dear darling. Sing it without words. Bum, 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 bum. How many sounds in this last measure on each beat? Bum, bum, 1 sound. So when there's 1 sound in a beat, we put in our quarter note. Remember, our quarter note is our beat note. Also, what goes here? TT. 2 sounds on a beat. Also, my dear. Also a TT. Also, my dear darling, ti-ti-ti-ti-ta-ta. There are some other TTs in this song. See if you can find them as we sing. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Where else do you hear 2 sounds on a beat? TT. This measure. This measure, and this measure. The second beat of this measure, the second beat of this measure, and the second beat of this measure. Let's sing just this first phrase with the rhythms. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Just this first beat. Hop along. How many sounds do you hear on that first beat? 3 sounds. So we know we're going to need 3 stems. We also know that because those 3 sounds are all on the beat, they're going to have to be connected. But are they all equal? Do they last the same amount of time? Does every one of those sounds last the same amount of time? They don't. Some of these are shorter than others, and one of them is longer than the other. So if we replace the words with short and long, does hop along match short, short, long? Or does it match long, short, short? Or does it match short, long, short? Hop along. It matches short, short, long. So we want to connect these first 2 to show that those are the ones that are shorter. And so now we're going to change what we say when we read this rhythm. We're going to say, tiki-tee, hop along, skip along, tiki-tee. Old Betty. How many sounds? 3. Old Betty. Short, short, long. Does that match? No. Long, short, short. Old Betty. It matches. So this time I have to connect the last 2 sounds. So since the last 2 are connected, instead of saying tiki-tee, I'm going to say T, tiki. Let's fill in the rest of these rhythms, these beats. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin, hop along, skip along. Tiki tee, old Betty. Long, short, tee, tiki. Hop along, skip along. Tiki tee, old Betty. Tee, tiki. Larkin. Also, my dear darling. Let's read the entire song using our rhythm syllables, including our new rhythm, tiki tee and tee tiki. Ready and sing. Actually, let's check our pitch. Little bit low. Here we go. Ready and sing on rhythm syllables. Tiki tee, tiki tee, tee, tiki tee, tee, tiki tee, tiki tee, tee, tiki tee, tee, tiki tee, tiki tee, tee, tiki tee, 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 ta, ta. And let's sing it on words. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Hop along, skip along, old Betty Larkin. Also,